we are back dito sa hotel. Ano na, 10:10. Wala naman masyadong ganap ngayon. Dinner lang talaga. Minute lang namin sila mga yung family niya. Tapos, ayun, dinner. Tapos, tinur nila kami ng slide dito sa may center. Kung saan yung bilihan ng chocolates, ganyan. So, speaking of chocolates, ayan, nakita nyo, kabili kami. Kapatid ng asawa ni Mac. Dati siyang nag-work dito. So, sakto. Naabutan namin yung isang staff doon sa isang store. Kakilala niya. Eh, naka-discount kami. So, bumili na kami ng mga pampasalubong. Ito pala yung pangalan ng shop. Ayan. Ano bang basa dyan? Sorry kung maingay pala ha. Yung ano yun.
Hindi na kamayin ng call.
Ah, sige. Wait. Ayan, I think better. Sara, nilibre kami nito. May discount na, tapos nilibre pa kami. Ang cute nito. Nagustuhan namin to ni Jonah. Yung parang may bahay. Tapos I think maliliit na chocolates yung laman niya sa loob. Ito, 24 pieces na maliliit na chocolate. And ang cute nito kasi meron siyang ganyan. Yung mga design siya, ng mga infrastructures ng Belgium. Kumuha kami ng dalawa. And then this one, naka-sale din siya. Libre tikim din kami kanina eh. Kaso hindi lang namin matikman lahat kasi medyo nakaka-umay din, tapos sobrang busog. Pero yun, pwede mo naman tikman yung mga chocolates doon. Pero masasarap naman.
Kahit hindi nga parang malaman mo lang eh, para lang mag-fruity.
Oh.
Kasi lahat ng macarons gusto yung pakain.
Hindi na talaga kaya. Sabi ko, kuha kayo, kahit anong flavor dyan. Anyway, ayun, meron na tayong pasalubong from Belgium. Okay.
Ano bang araw ngayon?
Sabado.
San Manchu Wed.
Wednesday ang alis natin. Yeah, 5 days tayo dito. Mag-Antwerp pa pala kami. Antwerp. Antwerp is parang ibang city.
Hindi na siya Brussels, pero Belgium pa.
Oh, part pa rin siya ng Belgium.
Sa taas, mas malamig doon.
Uy, sobrang busog namin. Sobrang sarap nung ano. Grabe yung ribs. Talaga
Pwede
namang.
mabuhin yung isang bumbaka eh.
Unli kasi yung
Lagay.
ribs. Unli ribs siya, pero syempre may hangganan lang din naman yung kaya. Pero sobrang sarap. Sarap ng ribs. Uy, croissant. Croissant and egg.
Ano yun?
And
Cinnamon
salad.
ba yun?
Oo.
Sarap pa naman, tik.
Oo, cinnamon salad.
Sabi ni sa attention breakfast.
Uy, egg. Yan lang, konti lang. Ano to? Sausage and bacon. Pwede na din. Ang beans to. Okay, okay. Kuha na tayo ng ating breakfast. Meron silang sausage and bacon and egg.
Sticky cinnamon yung Starbucks.
Dami preparation.
Ano ka kahapon sa ribs? Hindi ka nag-video?
Nag-video ako. Pero wala kasing mapaglagyan kaya konti.
Hindi nakuha yung mga
Hindi. Masigit kasi yung table
bilis
natin.
kumain eh.
Naubos niya yung buong ganun.
Hindi ko makain. Kasi Jesus. Sabi ko sana kasi Jesus. Fasting si Jesus nun eh. Okay lang yung intermittent fasting. Alam ko yung kay kay Jonalyn. Yung
Baka
yung mga ilang oras kami
3 days na walang kain.
Oo, sabi niya Thursday pa daw siya walang kumain. Water, coffee lang daw siya.
Sabi nga niya kaya pala daw.
Siguro kung-
Kaya daw pala kasi hindi pa daw siya kumakain mula hapon. Parang gano'n.
Siguro kung naumpisahan niya na, nasanay na yung katawan niya.
Pero parang nakakatakot yung ganun.
Anyway, breakfast tayo. May sugar pa ako baka. Ano kinuha mo? Tunay ko yung... Latte macchiato.
Wala kasing latte lang.
time check, 9:45. Grabing busog na naman. So, kinain ko is bread, yung egg. Nakadalawang balik ako ng egg. Turkey, hindi siya turkey bacon. Bacon talaga na baboy. And then, sausage. Sobrang busog. Busog na naman. Yung stay namin dito sa hotel, may breakfast yun. So, hanggang Tuesday? Hanggang Wednesday. Hanggang Wednesday pala. Wednesday check-out namin. Pahinga lang muna tayo. Kasi yung ganap namin today, mamaya pa. After lunch, mga 1:30. So, may time pa tayo mag-rest kahit pa paano. Nakapag-plansya naman na kami ng susuotin. So, ito yung plan kong suot mamaya. Ito lang, plain na shirt and then skirt ulit tayo. Ito yung from Barcode. Ay, Barcode ba to? Hindi. Brands Fearless. Pero ang brand niya is Reserved. Ito yung tig 19 lang na nakita ko. Cellphone. Dito. Shoe selfie. Let's walk in. Parang kakalastan. Bonjour. Bonjour. Nagagamit talaga ang mga napag-aralan.
Maagang gumamit si Jonah. Maaga mong gumamit Try po agad
Bonjour. Dito yung breakfast namin kanina. Okay. Masarap pala yung lamig niya. Tignan natin mamayang gabi. Are we gonna cross?
Are we gonna
run? Okay, let's go. It's green. Anong oras pa yun? 1:30 pa yung ano natin, no? Tour. Pero lumabas na kaming maaga para mag-ikot-ikot lang. And sakto, medyo maaraw. Close yung mga shops nila daw dito ng Sunday. Kaya yan, walang tao. Kahapon nung dumaan kami dito, di ba may maleta? Daming tao. Ay, ito, baka hindi lahat close. May mga mangilan-ngilan na open. Ayan, Subway open. Tapos maraming ganyan dito, guys. So, yung natutulog lang sa gilid. Say hi! 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 Color coordinated kami today.
Yun, lumalamig.
Lumalamig.
Yes.
Sakto lang na naka,
Oo.
sweatshirt.
Pag ganyan pinasuot sa'yo, sa halip na naka-t-shirt ka lang Yes. That's it.
Yung church yun, guys. Yung tumutunog. Ito, church. So, dito na kami ulit. Grand Place. Picture lang kami. Ito yung background.
Church din?
Nope. May ganyan siya.
Did you ask me for one picture? Oh, is it someone else?
But if you can take us, the three of us, a photo, please. Thank you.
Hanap muna kami ng papalitan ng tawag nito, pera. Kasi tip-based nga yung tour namin mamaya. Wala kaming euro. So, punta muna tayo. 1:30 pa naman. Eksakto, 1:00 pa lang. So, may time pa tayong magpapalit. Okay, dito kami. Gold Exchange. Tapat ng Azra. Smaller bills also. Yeah.
85.
$85. $100 yung pinapalit namin. 83 lang. Ito yung tour namin, Belgo
Okay guys, I'm going
Tours.
to present myself. My name is Marcela and I am from Mexico City. The saint that brings them candies on December, only to the well-behaved kids. And that house is the house of the tapestry. Belgium is really famous because of its textile.
The frog. Tapos, head. The feet. Tsaka dog. Head. Baby. Yung angel.
Okay guys, you're going to remember we talked about the textiles, the tapestry house. Well, ta-da! These are the main textiles that he was always traveling with his dog that is called Snowy and with his friend that is Capitan Halo. And well, who wrote that song? Do you know the name of the writer? So what happened? The Belgians decided to make an exact same replica. So this replica is the same 52 centimeters made of bronze. And guess what? The replica was stolen again.
Last night was one big holiday. Cool winds on me out by the shade. Put my weekend on layaway. I told you where I'm going. To big commotion. I'm being carried by the wake. So hold me like an ocean. I need your soothing motion. Please help me take the pain away. No way to change. No way to change. I yesterday. No way to change. No way to change. I yesterday.
It looks like Van Gogh, but it's not Van Gogh. This is the Palace of Justice, and this is one of the most beautiful buildings and biggest buildings here in Brussels, created by a Belgian that is called Brussels. He was the royal architect of Van Gogh. It took him 18 years to finish this building.
Under the heat, I'm half awake.
Carrying a cloud. The cloud has
I've
the
been
shape
hung
of
up
a
on yesterday. Woke up at noon, I'm in a daze. We'll keep on pushing anyway. I don't know where I'm going. 2 days, one big commotion. I'm being carried by the wake. So hold me like an ocean. I need your soothing motion. Please help me take the pain away. No way to change. I yesterday.
And the church. And now we're going to finish here in Montessart. And guys, every time I have a church, the company asks me to take a picture. So I hope you like it. And if you don't have cash, that's free. I can accept.
Tapos na yung aming walking tour. Dito kami nag-end. Yan yung view. Hanap kami ng makakainan kasi anong oras na? 4. Magko-4 actually. Try natin dito. naman na videohan eh. Pero dito lang siya sa tapat mismo ng... dito siya sa Grand Plus. Katabi niya is SB. Order ako ng latte sa akin. Merci. Yan.
Picture ang doon mamaya sa ano.
Meron din Antwerp lang.
Ayaw ko, isa lang ako.
Yung country lang mismo.
Dati nag-try ako for yung city. Parang ang dami pala.
Oo.
So okay na yung country.
Okay na to.